Fam, I'm here with Sada and Lydia. Look at it.
Hi.
Beautiful Greek women.
Thank you.
Hey, let's talk about Greece and how beautiful it is. Coming up.
Bye.
I believe that we're at day 21, fam, of the hashtag Motivate Humanity Challenge. Everybody talks about traveling, right? But everyone doesn't talk about experiencing the travel. Greece is absolutely beautiful. There's so many beautiful places. Experiencing the travel when you go there, right? Meeting people, meeting local people, making friends, doing the local stuff, right? Not just the tourist stuff, but the local stuff. It's so important, you guys. So this is about really experiencing the travel that you go on, right? Go experience life. And I know with the coronavirus, it's kind of weird, kind of difficult to really experience the travel, but experience the travel 100%. All right, guys, peace.